Can someone come on Silver Network? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Mr. Abiu.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
We are fine.
Defender.
Boss.
What's saying?
Yeah, we are fine.
We are the emphasis that many. Sir Emmanuel Sanja story ne the oya away. Sir Kotoko ne Sanja we right back for a Vision FC. Na aso no kwenye den di no ho nkomo sa ha o. Kwenye den di Sanja ho nkomo. Ye be hwe no ho asem ne aka. Na ye den nsem no atimi aba. Enya no pe. There is a news from Kotoko camp regards to some players. I'm penning for my meeting, Edin Sembia Tomanim. I will quite almost per se, almost fast on your money, Juma. And the likelihood that these guys, the likelihood that these guys might not really be part of the Kotoko plans. No, AD free or bar. May they mount old median. Nah, Ruben Hennessy deal no. Bibi ba.
Okay.
Bibi ba. Me nyani. Me ti bibi me ninja ho.
Positive and
Anya positive. Anya positive sabi. And no number. Oh. Then I had a call from somebody very, very influential when it comes to Ghana football and coaching and scouting. And I panic catch them and said, when you're sure say anything, they ought to go to Konabebas. And business hard thing. No, so better train over TBB. It looks like Brantiano. Na who din semono. Prince of the Antwaso. Antwaso. A story I feel na a developing story. I want to be careful with my words.
Yes, that's true.
But and the Ghana Football Association Congress neighbors,
yeah.
What is the key points I TBI ABSO anybody tell mamena? Then I'll take my prize money and there's a lot of discussion from so many people regards to the prize money, no. Then what?
So but because they had say so far no and only a to some extent. The prize money as you see no. Wow, Beji League no on Sabeka. We all know last season wow Beji League now on second 2 million Ghana cedis. Now I'm afraid so Yamu be also 1 million Ghana cedis as startup. At the account. But this season, what about Ghana Premier League, 3 million Ghana cedis. Now, I feel, your sounds was 1 million Ghana cedis as startup at the account. And that means the winner.
1 million will be a Benjamin.
1 million and the 18 clubs. Nina. In the church, what about G League, Kofi with 4 million Ghana cedis. It is kind of 40 billion. And I be Kofi. It is a good sum. It's a make say, and no ni di kan mehu a mani age ho ye pa. Not only that, say we runners up on so and so beji 1 million Ghana cedis. Udi third and so and so ye 800 Ghana cedis, fourth year 750 Ghana cedis. And you know here this time around this season no sikano e was throw. And you know the competitive level this season is going to be very high. And you know say sikane peja say na and na ni bre no so peja. And this is the very moment I am expecting say see yetna say ye di in common about the league. I was say catch referees and said this season omumio many pa. Because if a club will be earning 3 million Ghana cedis and I said the 3 million Ghana cedis out towards the clubs and battle for there, it means none of the 18 clubs and ever saw by the agro. But ye be no back open a being a sesicam. And all the 18 clubs will be coming in big. That is why I was said this season we want to see the referees also at their very top. Sekabi wa hono they should settle it fast. But then American says so far so good with what we are hearing. Congress national very positive. Sikasem ni nyina e kama. And Emma be can say ya as usual. You be can say ya but na be do time we see 2 years can ba be yedin. Last season I know say 1 million Ghana cedis no. At a point na clubs na etwe ho pa. And now no sisie ya ka no. In about 2 weeks time. You be league national. I was said disbursement never. I was some started so more release this kind of clubs and they are your more so money ama. Because some of these clubs need yes kind of badly so bad. Especially with the newly promoted clubs no. Omo mabasi see DBB. Mono I don't know their financial strength there. Minim nipa kro run club minim ni botom. But 1 million Ghana cedis as startup no there a good money the amane pa. Port City so no. Minim Port City mpanimfo no so minimum botom. Sa oh okay. Ntiani
push am okay kaka.
Ntiani any still kwano. I think say it will be good for them say sa 1 million Ghana cedis no esa ba be ka ho a omo sika o mo wono ho.
Bedum ja bebre.
Ebe bo omo yie pa.
That's what to say o skabat kakra ba ebe okay ama.
Oh yeah na dey.
Coffee and twaso. Enti me personally is a good news but I'm hoping say send your kind. Most of that's what the referees make out. I'm the referees make and no match ho nyina because no mo share nyina. Me personally I felt that enka ten ye bo league and be na club where the players can say where the players can say. Ka 1 million me enfam ma clubs no. I'm provided the account of their players. Now buying Antwi and tum send you to staff for Kano.
Okay.
Ghana workers no more. Attorney controller to your Kano. Acha 26.
Yes.
Was on my okay. And the boys no more baby girls no more more teachers foreign nurses police officers near the 26 nurses. As some pensem they become good girls na so no mutimi mama kakra. It's amunya sang me abnya sang ka mepede. Because here boost season and the middle of the season now we the car we the canaya na nyoma. Many times but Prince. Mama story with mama kaka. Yantinsi Kotoko no.
Okay.
And the David Obinyako represented Kotoko Congress.
Nice.
On a Asenso. Asenso so in charge of Kotoko operations.
Okay.
And also PM or hobby. Evelyn Siasa runs on women division, you know.
Yeah.
Has a case ladies or other to also represent TB. Eboa manioma ko ye na one day on. You be dim komobi. And some na doso pa about how Has and Kotoko if they want to control Ghana football baby or so many ko.
Okay.
So Gaka has leadership of Gaka has name Kotoko ni. The Antwi Sakaa Prince,
boss,
the journey for Emmanuel Antwi and Saka Dauda is over.
Okay.
And I'm saying a man for Cassie, a cat download as some said download as a campaign. Must be cast and assess I got as a summer campaign. Nah, you may anything. As somebody say, story debate me about it, and a prince. Yenyan in TSA or joining Silbert Network. And then a prince be share Silbert for the first time. I only Silbert ye meet. If it happens, I say this our story. And I'm post Yenyan in TSA Silbert or Po Bintino. Only the board of directors so no must settle on prince no confidence. A story.
Correct.
Then when they eventually call prince, say a move from shortlisted to first personal meeting.
Yes.
Maybe a first personal meeting. Can you that day normally offer better prince anymore?
Okay.
Till the next day, say only 2-year contract to prince anymore. I remember say, I fair na say the contract 2 years. At to prince anymore.
Yes.
So prince ko share no back say wa dia to me say say e come so
news.
News. And so the work any medicals no so by news.
Yeah.
Or pass ya news.
Yeah.
And so eventually or sign ya. And so then
aside news.
News. Into what how one person no you bet me the story over and over and over can see repeat.
Yeah.
A development.
So it's Alvarez the the biane de eba.
The person na Fabrizio repeat there be o.
The bia we see bia.
Yes, shortlisting the pan here the baba.
Oh. You be see bia before say Saka. Coach ni try right back Yamaka wa. Okay, kind.
Coach ni catch on say Oni Emmanuel Antwi omontre Kumasi e kind.
E kind.
The catch on say coach ni so omontre with the youth to e kind.
E kind.
After the what I can tell is that Kotoko am clear to these players say they will not register them.
Okay.
And if these players don't get a club, they are going to stay at Kotoko and train with the youth team and play for the youth team. That is the new development. Abba.
Oh.
Yes. Some of their boys they are not in their plans. boys no nkope team on pay team ba Kotoko bomako but some many team amba Asante Kotoko will not register them. They will play for the Kotoko youth team but man they are swan Kotoko see the musika
ebe mom
right. So the journey for Emmanuel Antwi and Sakaa Dauda finally comes to an end. Ewo Asante Kotoko. Pending any last minute changes, Emmanuel Antwi, Sakaa Dauda are not in the books of Eric Tinkler and they don't have a future with the club. Prince Mamintonka.
Was and shada good news baby mame, especially with Emmanuel Antwi. And I think that if the players maybe more second chance there, then Emmanuel Antwi should deserve a second chance in the club.
Didn't ya?
Because of number 10, senior number 10 who is scarce this year. Our local league in him. And also no more available corners and take Kotoko go in for the boss. It comes with a cost huge. Number 10 will be me a create. Number 10 will be me a more goals. Number 10 will be me a assist. Number 10 will be me a build a team around no. A one money day. A muya edging. But if number 10 be a league in that in Emmanuel Antwi, be a club in that in Antwi there. That's the last season. Modern born na any sura. I think say nanka another chance will do. Because me will enough believe pass Emmanuel Antwi there. Ye can't 10 for poor more league in ma. Players or more league in mo winning born e bopa ka Antwi ka ho bi. Yeah. But I don't know. Say me fan share the team performance na nkoye last season no. And I say me fan share say boy no e bia na trimude kakra. And as I say
one bantam no so.
Because I think that
starting prison one bantam.
One bantam. So and you know maybe who is still now would deserve another chance in the setup. Last season just 8 games spent with me boy. Never form pa. Na the game minutes no need this ro never form.
8 games.
8 games.
Emmanuel Antwi.
Yeah. Hey. Never form pa. Never form. 2020. 8 games. 2024, 2025 for about 25 games. I share one goal. Adema Asante Kotoko. And when him say from baby and games no, AC building up from 2024, 2025 season. At about 25-26 no. Never saying Kenya. Ne line and say a focus role. By this time around, it's a form. Okay. Which means that on paper, no coach would prefer so on such a player. Obebusa no questions. They didn't know a player or ball. Last 2 seasons, so amount 25 games. Now last season, amount 8 games. Then they see it. Yes.
2022-2023. About 28 matches, share 1 goal. 2023-2024. Emmanuel Antwi 26 games and share 6 goals. And then the back Kotoko.
Yes.
The first season Kotoko 25 games, 1 goal. Kotoko young apostles. Smart short be for a Chirina. And last season, about 8 Premier League matches.
Yes.
No goal, no assist. Now, it's an entry carrier. Last season, this season, about less than 10 matches.
Yeah.
They be an 20 and above. Last season, 8 matches. Emmanuel Antwi.
Yeah, Emmanuel Antwi. Yes, and this is not good numbers at all. Which maybe the minimum say no coach would prefer say when such a player by But I still think say with the direction of coach Eric Tinkler and then Yama Opeso Wayan and Antwi so maybe I think then Kobeti means when the best out of the player when the star no Opeso born. Fine. We can say coach Karim Zito so about the same style. We can say coach Prince and so by or no so be farm. We can also say coach Hamza or Ben so by firm. Ni na no when Timi am fa bibi am fan kan the ball no ho. Then they expect from you and Eric Tinkler. I still think Eric Tinkler bana a lot of the players no be developing. Yes. With Walid. Because say Walid and your second chance there. I think Antwi also deserve a second chance.
So Walid bantamo.
But in terms of the
in terms of count. From time in Diago.
And then no crepa in terms of so can I think that the club could have punished him. Punishment bit Miaba. Salary deductions. And I said will be absent for some games. And then they're fine. But taking Antwi out of the team entirely. Na club ni be terminate contract ni de was ya na ntem asum de bibiri was ade no so I think that still nka was nka Antwi a second chance but fine it is in the minds of the coach or na still now no wetimi build a team with the players no problem. Yebema Antwi, the best of luck. Ewo baby Obekobiam. He is a good player, no doubt. He's a very, very good player. So nyani there, a very good player. And you know, if on the coach's plan, main question coach ni baby, coach ni mdia if it goes well, he will take the credit. And go well, and so the coach will take the backlash. And you know, and also with Saka that was another player. Saka also free before Kwatano Obano. Huge expectations.
Yeah, that season about 32 games.
Yes,
8 goals for Buffalo.
Saka and Soba was not the numbers. No, so was so even 24-25 season, about 28 games, actually 2 goals
for Kotoko.
For Asante Kotoko. Then 25-26, about 11 games. Who say I'm part with Saka? The also no. Nanka no so afa kakran. But still, and also so and go through with coach Eric Tenkler. You're trying at right back. It's not meaning say wings one of them are maybe at right back a bit our baby.
And also
I'm fat.
Send the man Sanja the Bemuno. The search for right back Bemuno.
Yes, the Bemuno. Because we've seen players are more out of positions are or more bar afa. Matthias Nunes at Man City, midfielder, I be on right back afa. Nico O'Reilly, midfielder, I be on left back afa. Entinonka out of positions so the players need be on my team fa. But with Saka the also no aish. So
the two is living.
The two is living. So you be kind of say omumi enu na very sure more the best. Coach Eric Tenkler will take the credit. Ankoye so Ekoya he will take the credit. Ankoye so then you have to be busa questions as to why Oja Sam Rantier and so quite. Just like near who here with Kylian Mbappe and Luis Enrique. Let him go. Now results here be actually be blame me Ankoya blame me. Ekoye so mfa plus na mame. And yeng na who say Mbappe free PSG no. Yeng na who fa so about the PSG for 2 Champions League titles. And everybody is saying the coach no the best in the world, ukuta the best squad. So about somebody anybody the Bema coach Eric Tenkler. But Ankoye so you be question because I still think these two guys nan komo betimi edi before for Saka team no. But if said the coach no feels they are not part of his plans and going forward next season or what tonight M1 boss no problem.
Okay, my man twice and run here Ruben Henderson come on. And I know Pablo beside you. So see from. Yes. And see from. I say anything training, you know. That's the one. I said beside you NSC training, no. Na kuche go.
Eh.
We many mam they can't say na kuchire kakra wo. Sesra kakra wo.
Eh.
Yeah. Na sesra kakra wo.
First day in Indiana.
Menim die. Ma anko sene na wo mo hwe no. Emu kura jiri sa se pra wo boy no. Ebi mu jidie no.
Okay.
Emu ni sa se enye onu nie. Send your born the ball no. On ti ase.
No Lions no.
Asa ma fun se the boy no ti yawo. E won na animu ana. Inti no kura ne ye ba kope. Based on medical team na on the emotion. Personnel in the medical team feel that boy no injury. Even without diagnosing the player. Also medical for ne dey obetimi ahwe dey wa kick ball no.
Yeah.
Is I say we me suspect say the 90 fan no.
Oti yawo bi.
Oti yawo. Ebu am suspect. Ebu a play bi etimi ball two ma o. Come be fa so two mirika no. Medical team members say we pra. Cause
what's all corner.
Send your ball and you say na otu mirika.
So two mirika so kam kakra.
Kana otu no enye.
Ai asamaba.
Come on, Koso. But I can tell you, sir, there no uncertainty be abem. Be 50 to 60% uncertainty. Eyaba.
Dionum.
50
to 60 so there does.
Eyaba dionum. Mr. Abio.
Oh. This is so the enka.
Ruben Hennessy.
Correct player.
They ban no answer. But pass limit to understand your corner. You all.
So bad bars or no on your fastest hour.
Oh, there be on in Americano. Yes, I know about that I can go.
Yes.
So nam level ground now. But me first test now is 90 fan can.
Sir.
No say Bob, it's my yard be. If you are twist and 10 be when I come ma. O twist ya. O 10 obey delay.
Okay.
The way you have time ano. I check time I did do the crowd say either say so one pre idea. Then you have a genuine fitness issue, fitness not perform. But they have time ano. Call now be nyani ebe miano. You share you say way no. If you are fit, you are not supposed to live within this method.
Hey.
I say I'm more affordable saying now free and or trance. Me. So a young boy pe so you'll be 60 years, 70 and find so abre. But how about 20 to 30? Now first test here twice be me. Ne we say more akonya tenase no musu ansa na watimi ato aso de na say wono won tiaba
and na kremu mu de
because the normal person should not struggle we bi akuma no be kosoro kakra de be so otimi de ba be tenase ba say uduru esi eso mu da bi asem ho just some drills ni bi ne send you sifa ya de na some of them are not way. But they may picking they say they will not draw any conclusion until say on my boy in the medicals.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So coach any boy no. On my medical, they are not just going to based on the body language and Ruben anything update. I'm the my prince my mentor.
So wait. No kwan so no. No kwan so no. Say player there. Say Obasa na ayeden ya I was say medical team no so almost one more report almost being announced or say fan is serious and a Ghana Premier League player so there and the direction of Asante Kotoko baby on person omokono you can't just go in and bring in a player now the contract to him come and sign now sign and oko na player na beba no na ebia na injuries e wa akiri no wo hwa ne cure no be check akra into the club no so no entimi ntwen na was terminate say to compensation as adema player. And you know, over trials now, then it gives the team a fair idea as to what you are bringing to the team. Say, ahwadin or honoma omobehu, ahwadin ni honom so na say problem bi wo honom na problem kono kra no omohwe na say betimi solve in time omobehu. Say ntimi so solve in time so they will know what to do next. But for Ruben Hennessy, so but they make one in game time minutes na last season onya any they made tennis see and say me to ho I say me one pa.
But check last season there 5 matches no ntimi mbo.
Yes, no ntimi mbo. No ntimi mbo.
2-3 be the season.
Yeah, that's true. But in general no about 26 games. At the away season no. And you know, na o kan na me way options and say then the best player about 26 games every season they a center back. Every season na obekọ a new club for trials. Na fe no day one Asha see raise red flag. Then fitness level ni ko to dwen be injury bi shebe bi ana that is the question and now ka say nyina na me busa me ho e wo mitrim and
some say na me akọ bi
and you know me dey fine so bad a kwan papa na was so fa so na ani because all call Europa so bad the use of AI and clubs na be be use the omo science na right
key metrics and data
and you know player or a fine kwana say injuries ehhehhe no ho no mo hwe na mwa o meja na chidi and you know me dey you be train the final reporter ebeba from the medical team no on Ruben Hennessy maybe that to me I think said day one no so ka ho maybe your buy you know the environment pre-season and off season no so buy and the players no be bring na kwanchen aya na omo beba no na say form na de pick akra it I am finding a way say me can say me bokwan to baby am Ruben Hennessy me can say say me person me bokwan be to baby say
because you believe in his potential.
Yes, per what I know there.
Now if he's fully fit, he's the man for the job.
Of course. And that's me person me train so kakra na me hwe ne bi answer.
Okay.
And you know me dey train the medical team but if Ruben Hennessy play part of this as Antwi Kotoko team and come any beji pa.
Okay.
So go send na me ka chiro no and kai center back pair of Kofi Beni any Ruben Hennessy ewo akyiri honom as the set or starting center back now we Hamzata we akyiri oh say wait come on look at this team very rich but if say player on a fitness level also cannot meet up to the team's standard and they are untimi force club on so monkonkofa player na no
okay.
At the end of the day when they betu aka team no e kaba when they betu team no enti no omonto omobo as no monyo omonia mayi makase coach Eric Tenkler and the sporting director or the director of football Stanley Menzo standard no more about it to get to a point as well Asante Kotoko ebe ko market nim say omkokofa player aba yenya even a single mistake e wo ho
when the people to me about so better
aha
so mo say 10 na be 2
be 2 bi there you bet me 2 bi be frame and the question marks be home but majority of the signings under omu leadership if they continue like this omo to say ya there then the future looks bright in Asante Kotoko dealings no mo be no we get the normal Kotoko transfers aya bia Kotoko be team player ni dia na am the contract na ko sign there be this is a new style brad trials na near of fitness no umitia you'll be good to go when meeting so the team will move on now so but Hennessy there na there me me comment na kakra bete until you better the final report
until that is the news ewo ha jete mama on this very platform na yeri bibia pa wi until more to come ya tran konya su de beje mu pa bye bye.